Okay na, Boston. Malapit na. Okay na, lahat na ng phone.
Was the setup right there?
Player.
And they went to the last shot. Right now, celebrating.
Okay na, Derek.
This celebration is going to be short, very short, because they only have 2 days to prepare. Pakpakan na po. Best of 3 finals against AU will start this Saturday. And speaking of, let's go to the press room right now with the winning coach, Coach Nash Frisella. And Coach Nash, well, I know you'll say that this is not done yet, the job is not done yet. But before we tackle anything else, congratulations for the win, for making it to the finals. Tell us about that last play, Coach Nash.
Thank you. First of all, I want to thank everybody who supported FU. Yung last play was really designed for Mike Tolomia. But in the end, kasi he made the most important decision of his basketball career. So hindi niya pinilit, he saw an open Mac Bello. And I think we were so blessed that Mac hit 2 3-pointers in the last 1 minute.
Right. Coach talked about the performance of Mac. The whole fourth quarter, you came up with a 4-point lead, but he had, and you might not have seen the stats yet, he had 12 points, 4 out of 6 in the fourth quarter zone, and then he as well contributed in defending against Jeron Deng, who only had 4 points and 2 of 7 from the field. Talk about how he was instrumental this whole fourth quarter at both ends of the floor.
Well, he hit the biggest shot of the ball game. But I think what's commendable was the fact that another guy made the pass. So it's again, it's a team play. That's what we always emphasize. It just so happened na si Mac yung nag-end up as the guy who was taking it. So yeah, luckily he made it. For a while now, we were down 4 yata with less than 2 minutes. Akala ko sasabog kami, but yeah, our players were really tough tonight.
Coach Nash, tell us about, since you were talking about Mike Tolomia, tell us about the decision to bring him off the bench today. Him and Anthony Hargrove, actually, not just Mike. Can you talk about the reasoning behind it?
We just wanted to be more specific at the start of the ball game. We thought that sometimes it's a gamble when you take advantage of your quickness. Sometimes it will work for you, sometimes it will not. Just like last game, biglang lumamang ng malaki yung Lasal. So ngayon we went different direction, and I think it worked at the start of the ball game. I think there was more direction the whole ball game.
Okay, Coach Nash is also beside, of course, our PS Bankable player of the game. Open the PS Bank account now dahil dito, simple lang. TJ, you talk to
Hindi pa makapaniwala eh. Nararamdaman mo na ba yung nagawa mo? Yung nagawa mo 23 points in the winning shot? Anong pumapasok sa isip mo na yung last play? Nakita mo si Mike, inuubos na yung oras at umusira na yung last shot lang at nabigawan ng ball. Anong naisip mo ng puntong yun?
Yung puntong yun, sabi ni Coach, sa corner lang talaga. Then, after nung nakikita ko si Perkins na umi-help kay Mike, sabi ko, ipapasa talaga ni Mike sa akin. So, ayun, na-chamba.
Yung chamba na yan nakapun sa inyo sa finals. Back lahat ng manlalaro, bata man, maganda, yan namang pinapangarap, yung mga panalo ng isang laro. Kahit nasabihin natin hindi pa ito kampiyonato na ito is getting you to the finals. And wala doon sa mga simula mo sa probinsya, ngayon dito sa big stage of the UAP, describe mo naman sa amin ang nararamdaman mo ngayon. Bidang-bida ka.
Unforgettable moments yung nangyari sa akin kanina. So, sobrang blessed. Yung last shot ko na yun, dedicate ko kay Lord talaga. So, sobrang blessed.
Tuwa siguro. Lahat ng mga kababayan ko sa Lord Cotabato, alam ko yung mga magulang ko, sumadya dito saglit, para panoorin ka maglaro. In this wonderful season that you've been having so far. Balik lang tayo quickly kay Coach Nash, DJ, if we may. Coach Nash, you were joking with us prior to the start of the game. You've given 45 minutes to
the start of the game that you wanted to break up some sort of a tradition in the UAP in the sense that there was always an Ateneo or a LaSalle in the finals. And you wanted to say, "May iba naman." Talk to me about that, please. Talk to us about that, please.
Yeah, I'll be vocal about it. Kasi I realized last year lang na yun nga, Ateneo and LaSalle always in the finals since 1993. I think this is the best thing that ever happened to the UAAP, having FPU and NU in the finals. So, just like how we witnessed it today, I think si NU could bring the crowd, FPU could bring the crowd. So, hindi lang naman Ateneo and LaSalle makakapagkaroon. So, I think this is the best thing that ever happened to the UAAP.
Okay, all right. Well, Coach, are you looking ahead to the finals now? I know it's the furthest thing from your mind now, but if I can just throw that one question to you, how do you see yourselves matching up against NU? You only have 2 days to prepare.
Correct. I think what's important for us now is our recovery tonight. And then coaches will work the whole night to map up yung game plan namin against NU. I'd like to congratulate also NU for making it to the finals. Hats off to Coach Eric and his coaching staff.
It should be a good matchup, not only from a coaching staff point of view, but the players. It's going to be an amazing series.
Okay na kayo.
Okay na sila. Sorry sa mga Ateneans and mga green and white, blue and white, sorry, but I have to say that.
Coach, sabi niyo dati, you're trying to break the conditioning of the mind. Ngayon, break niya, parang na-point kasi niya doon na finally, nakabalik din yung FPU after 3 years.
Yeah, my mindset kasi it will dictate how you will act. So, yeah, at least now, kayo will talk about FPU and NU. Maiba naman kayo.
Mas masarap pa ang feeling kasi last time 32 points pero natalo. Ngayon 23 points but may game winner pa. Mas masarap pa ang feeling ngayon.
Mas okay ngayon.
So real pa rin ba sa'yo? Na-shoot mo yung try?
Sanay si Max sa ganun, sa mga ganun moments. Sanay siya sa ganun. Pinakamaganda lang nangyari sa most important game ng buhay niya.
Oh, iba speechless kayo. Guys, speechless.
Your thoughts about yung kalaban niya kayo sa Champions?
I think it's gonna be a good matchup. And it's gonna be tough for us kasi Roga has been playing well. Tapos Lolino has been playing well also. I think what's scary about them is that a number of role players have been stepping up also. So they're going to be a different NU team pagdating sa finals.
Max, tingin mo may advantage kayo? May player pa ba kayo na nakapag-finals lang 2000?
Only four players, si Tolomia, Fogoy, Cruz, and Escobar.
Sa tingin mo may advantage kayo? Kasi basically, sobrang buti pa lang bago pa rin sa finals.
Hindi naman siguro kasi I'm sure nakalimutan na rin ng mga players na because when they entered the finals, I think they were just first year players. So medyo nakalimutan na yan. Actually before the game, that's what I told them na we have 4 players who have already played in the finals. So this will be a first time for most of them. Even for the coaching staff, I told them na tulungan nyo rin ako na makarating sa finals.
Coach, you swept NU in the elimination. So how different is NU now compared to the way they're playing?
Sabi ko nga kanina, they're so much different because Roga and Lolino are really playing really better now. Role players like sila Alejandro has been stepping up. Lagi sinasabi ni Coach Eric na pagdating sa ganitong series, iba na, kakalimutan mo na yung mga nangyari before. And that's how also we think as a team. Kalimutan natin yung nangyari before, regardless kung nanalo tayo or natalo tayo. But what's really important is the game ahead of us, or the series ahead of us.
Matagal na yung FPU na hindi nagka-champion eh. So, ano ko important, how does this mean to end up winning the ano, after all yung mga...
Maganda siguro. Maganda siguro for FPU. I think what's really exciting is kasi itong second round and itong Final Four, nakita namin na nag-build up yung excitement dun sa campus and sa mga followers ng FPU. I think today was the biggest crowd that we had witnessed sa FPU. So I think talaga kalahati yata ng Araneta. So ako personally was really surprised na kaya rin pala talaga namin. So yeah, we're hoping na pagdating din sa finals, ganun din yung support nila.
Mac, sabi mo sa akin last time, boost na. So, talagang binuhos mo na ba ang game na ito para kumbaga sa'yo?
Oo, kasi going to this game, yung mindset ko, bubuhos ko na lahat kasi sabi ko sa yung mga gagraduate namin, sabi ko kay Brian tsaka kay Anthony na hindi pa to yung last game. Magpa-practice pa tayo.
Pero sa tingin mo sa LUP, match-up mo kay Rosario, mga Alto, tingin mo may ilalabas ka pa?
Practice.
Nag-look forward ka ba sa mga match-up mo kung Roy?
Siguro tough match-up para sa akin kasi may mga advantage din sila. So, challenge ko lang yung sarili.
Yung after nung pumasok yung shot, pinapitan ka ni Mike and siya.
Hindi ko na napansin kasi ang daming lumapit sa ako. So, sinugod ako.
Yung nag-cheer sa side, sa baseline na naka-grade. Nag-cheer dun eh. Pares ko rin yata.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.